Namaskar, my friends. Welcome back. We guarded our three scarce resources: time, attention, context. Today we zoom right inside a single agent run, from your prompt to merged code. It has three phases, and getting context to each one, just in time, is the whole art. Chalo. Last time we spoke of resources across many runs. Now, one run under the microscope. Think of it as one journey of our dabbawala: pick up, deliver, confirm. Three clean phases, and each one needs the right information at the right moment. Here is the whole trajectory. Phase 1, grounding: the agent pages in everything it needs. Phase 2, the messy middle: it actually writes and runs code. Phase 3, review and merge: it gets judged and shipped. Just-in-time context flows into all three. Phase 1, grounding. Before a single line is written, the agent pulls in the ticket, the relevant docs, the archived design documents, and the critical user journeys. Like a good student reading the whole question paper before lifting the pen. And here is the counterintuitive bit: make grounding deliberately slow. An agent that rushes in half-informed builds the wrong thing beautifully, and that wrong build is the real delay. 5 minutes of careful reading saves 5 hours of confident nonsense. Phase 2, the messy middle. Now the agent loops fast. Write code, run the tests, read the errors, fix, repeat. This is where the real work happens, and it is genuinely messy, like a kitchen at full dinner rush. Your job is to steer it from outside, not to cook every dish. You steer with just-in-time prompt injection. Not a giant wall of rules at the start; the agent forgets those. Instead, at the exact moment it reaches for raw fetch, a small nudge appears: use the retry helper. The right hint, at the right second. Now the heart of phase 2, design your tests for agents, not just for humans. A bare expected true, got false teaches the agent nothing. Instead, write failures that say what broke, why, point to the runbook, and name the file and line. A descriptive error turns the agent self-healing. And one practical trap. Tool output gets truncated. If your real error sits on line 9000 of a 10,000 line log, the agent never sees it, the tool cut it off. So surface the error first, keep logs short, tail instead of dump. Make the signal impossible to miss. Phase 3, review and merge. The pull request fans out to a matrix of reviewer agents in CI: one checks security, one style, one performance. Then an LLM-as-judge reads all their notes, scores the change, and decides. A whole review panel, running in parallel, in minutes. And the judge has a bias toward merge. A tiny P3 nitpick should not block anything, just merge it. A P2 issue blocks and loops back for remediation. Only a serious P0 or P1 is a hard stop. Failed runs are sent back to fix, not thrown away. So across the whole run, one principle repeats. The right context dropped in at the right phase. Ticket and docs at grounding, nudges and clean errors in the middle, review criteria at the end. Master this rhythm, and the agent feels almost effortless to steer. So let us tie the thread, the way your old school master always does. 1. Grounding. Page in the ticket, docs, design notes, and user journeys before any code. Go deliberately slow here, because a wrong build is the real delay. 2. The messy middle. Inject hints just in time, and design tests for agents, descriptive errors that point to runbooks, and never let the real error get truncated away. 3. Review and merge. A matrix of reviewer agents and an LLM judge, biased toward merging, where only serious issues block and the rest loop back for remediation. Next time, my favorite rule of the whole talk, I never want to give the same review feedback twice. We turn every repeated mistake into something that is simply impossible to make. Learn it properly with us at AI Academy, link below, first lessons free. Till then, steer with care. Chalo. AI Academy. By Concept Good.